Assalamualaikum. This is Sana Sheikh Kashif, and today I will discuss about psychoanalysis as therapeutic technique. So, what is psychoanalysis? Psychoanalysis is a method of therapy which is based on Freudian concepts. What are Freudian concepts? There are three important Freudian concepts. The first one is the level of consciousness, for which I've talked about earlier, that is conscious, subconscious, and unconscious. And the unconscious is the most important among them because it influences human behavior most. Another important Freudian concept is structure of personality that consists of id, ego, and superego. I have talked about that earlier, that there is a relationship between id, ego, and superego, and also there are some internal conflicts among them. Another important theory is psychosexual stages of personality development of a person, in which there are five stages, and if any stage fixated, then the person become worried, and there are some problems exist which later become the sources of abnormal behavior. So, according to Freud, in conclusion, repressed unresolved conflicts in unconscious mind, internal conflicts between id, ego, and superego, and also the conflicts and fixation in childhood stages of personality development become the source of normal behavior. The main source of normal behavior is the internal conflicts. So, which are the main thing for which the person is not known. These are repressed, and to bring it into the consciousness is the major goal of psychoanalysis. We can understand the goal of psychoanalysis here in this way, that there are some unresolved and worried conflicts which are completely repressed. If these conflicts can become known to a person and he can come to be aware for these conflicts, then it can easily be resolved. Am I right? So, what is the goal of psychoanalysis? It's very simple. It is just to bring the unconscious, unresolved, repressed conflicts into the consciousness so that they can be dealt realistically. So, we come to the next topic, that is the techniques which are used in psychoanalysis. The first and most important technique is free association. As you can see, that the person is lying in the couch and is free to talk about and to express whatever comes in his or her mind. That's why it is also known as the talking cure. Another important thing which is the important for the psychoanalysis therapy is to understand about the resistance. The resistance is actually the blockage, the person's unwillingness to talk about some particular topic. What he do, actually he either gets silent, or he either fail to recall, or he sometimes refuse to talk. Another important concept is the transference, in which the person relates the analysis with the other important person in their lives with which he had conflict. This transference can be positive, such as affection, love, friendliness, and could be negative also, such as hatred or hostility towards the analyst. Another important concept is dream analysis. According to Freud, the dreams are the royal road to unconsciousness. It gives the insight of the person, and it is the important source of information about repressed conflicts of a person. The most important technique is interpretation. A person is get to be known by the therapist only when he connects the thread running through the free association, or the therapist explore the area of blockage or resistance, or the dream content and relate it with free association, and also by exploring transference, and the most important, exploring defense mechanism used by the client. Okay, so the next step is counter transference and the termination. Actually, the psychoanalysis helps the person to turn back in his own life, For that, he re-established the client and therapist relationship, which was changed during the transference, and also helped him to move forward positively. The most important therapeutic technique psychoanalysis importance is that it gives insight about the inner self of a person. It also facilitates the person to recover the repressed unconscious conflicts between the person and its past and present. So good luck for your studies. If you like my video, then please like it, subscribe my channel, and good luck.